brothers, my sisters, my mommy them. I see emphasize all the Ground Zero fighters. I have one more share this message together. Bivondo, alias Bia, they don't stand to do the expect say go dress the nation, talk about the crisis for Anglophone zone. You don't mention nothing for the crisis for Anglophone zone. Only for stand up proudly tell you as presidential election going to take place on the 7th of October. When I answer that period, we're going to enjoy for boy. I believe say sleep will see the eye. Now on the 7th we'll shortly sleep the rest. But all those people where they bundle longer for money, I want to tell them this one. When any man go there, whether Anglophone, Francophone, all the Francophones, the Bamileke, we don't lovely accept na go be with we. We remember the old days where we get the love. Wanna make that love be continue for real. Any man where go there, stand for any polling station for this Ambazonia, for this Ground Zero. Any man will go there, stand for any polling station, no need for know whether you vote. Don't witness it, don't go there. Don't go there. If you dare, just near any polling station. You know, say lost all to get and to do work for your life. They were judging me for heaven, you know, if you judge me for here. Now God will judge me. When God will judge me, nobody. No man will judge me. I still repeat that. No man not the way woman money. Where go worry me for the Ground Zero. Unless say I make a wrong, you will get me. I still repeat them again. Any Anglophone or Francophone will go stand for any polling station. I don't know. I believe say now if you answer the question for yourself, I still beg some more respect yourself. Will be like one. Will make this struggle me go ahead. More arrange myself will make this struggle me go ahead. All the small things that way I like to enlighten my people. All the Ground Zeroes fighters, when I go work for end to end. I still beg those for update where they do now writing and noise making on social media. I beg. I be very sorry say if you now feel understand what I mean, when I keep out that noise on social media. When I do update, they go give on a story, you know if you investigate and if you take away, and if you check them, you just stop. Those things that cause you confusion for you. If this struggle be been as something will be like plan and very well, the people not want listening. Wait to I have a talk in the beginning. So if you give arrange for ourselves one time with arm, start this struggle one time, but people not be take that point. People not be listening very well. If you talk about this arm, so give us start arm. Arm once start coming, don't be too late. If they say meet me any village, any town, remain for getting your own territory. But when God don't choose, we will go around, try to join our hands to fight together. We say sabotage. I beg, my brother, I beg for God's name. I beg for the name of God. We want to calm down ourselves. We want to try to unite we. If we unite we, all things will be fine. I beg we unite we. We use our word of wisdom. We use our power, language power, unite we. We be educated more than us. We unite we. We not take that educated. They will not take down a skill. We not take way to carry them. Instead for divide we. We discover of Daniel because of an aspiration. People the father will kill me, group and plan me, say if I can't Nigeria don't kill me, I don't kill this, I don't kill that. Truly I don't kill no man. On social media, the animal will not say witness me to our kill. I beg me the person stand any day talk for me. Say I will don't lie, be key for here, I was there. I'll be very good for apology. I don't really beg for forgiveness for any wrong I don't do, I don't be perfect. I know so if you don't pass do something else not right, the way I wrong. But for any killing, I not take place. Not necessarily the key very well. And from that 7th October, you'll see the rain killing. You start for any polling station, you go not say la Republic no get more town. The rain more town in Canada. I don't care for no who they don't like my uncle, my papa, my who. Any man way they I don't they fed any man we don't used to me for battle will not say I don't need this. I don't care for no who you be. I tell you na plenty now the small that I get up. Who left sabotage, who join myself together. This struggle no take no time. If that election no who, we forget about boy, I forgot them for 1st October. When I jump with us, I did not go to our city, go to our capital. Move stop sabotage. I beg all my brother for us. I apologize to any man I don't talk rubbish about you. Or if I ever talk a part of what Papa Cristiano. I will talk for you. I will talk because of that point. I believe say I will talk for my soldier and one time I go my room, I tell and say if Cristiano say move Bamileke, you move on. When he talks to go move all army they will come back. Why am I not go move that one? Now, that one, if you want to talk, when I turn on the face of TV, when I need one listen that one. When I say, when I listen, when I say, Bamileke, when I move on. Why this one, I go, when I say, move army, one, I go move army. See, when you talk, you go like 5 months. No group for that side never fight. And the thing that will vex me. Not say, I hate some man, I be sorry if anything I don't do it wrong. I know say I feel the claims in the right ways in time I won't make mistake. Thank my brother in Southern Cameroon. Thank all the generals around Southern Cameroon. Thank all the Ground Zero fighters. I thank all the donors. I thank all those all the people that support us, all the business people in Kumba, Douala, Yaoundé, Ovas, Ovasti, Bamenda, Manfe, everywhere. Chakiri, Kumbu, Wum, Dop, all everywhere in Southern Cameroon. I say thank you to you all. I pray for plenty. Me God continue to provide for Namuna, help you to provide for we. We not get no play the work. We live now on top of now. We not get no noise to make about the supporters. The supporters they do 100% on their own part. They will only drop down for the short period where they bomb their motor, burn rice, burn thing them. So they give a complaint. So we discover so we don't get money for credit. We don't get things to chop because now we will cost them. We cost them. We not go war. We no chop. War one is slow, so now because of those things. Some people don't burn, carry rice pack of the house, carry petrol pack of the house, carry tin and pack of the house. Then they rape people that they fight, they need not to chop. I thank you for the plans. I beg me all those things and ask you. We launched me and General Divine for the other for Soccer we don't settle out all those small disputes then. So to them be as one. I thank God say things that don't move smoothly. Today it be like me and Divine will look one house to stay. They love don't too much. And I pray me that love continue for rain for all other end. So now Divine, may God bless you for your understanding. For what you have given up, that you behave like a big man. Because if I talk short off, you talk short off, it will lead to fight, it will lead to quarrel. And it will lead to another thing. I thank you very well. I'm General Divine. I greet any man with that around you. More continue to share that wisdom, word of wisdom and that love. Thank you now. Bazonia.